This is triangle pose. So triangle pose, our feet are exactly like they are in Warrior Two. Your front foot is pointing forward, your back foot's turning slightly in. This time, however, your front leg is straightening. Now, it's not entirely straight, you're not locking out that knee, but you need to keep a little bend in the knee so that you're protecting the knee and you're stretching your inner thigh. So the point of this pose is to stretch the inner thighs. And it's a bit of an illusion when you're learning this pose that it happens from your upper body, right? You just kind of want to lean over and stretch down as much as you can. You'll notice if you try to do this pose with just the upper body, keeping the hips still, you'll feel the side body kind of crunch in, the left shoulder crunches in, and you don't really feel much stretch on your inner thigh. So this pose actually happens from the tilt of the pelvis and the flexibility of the front inner thigh. So if you were to do this and bring your hands on your hips, you'd slide the back leg hip up towards your armpit, right? It's sliding up towards the diagonal. The bottom hip will slide down and back. And notice my side bodies are still long. They didn't change as I moved down. Now, if you're newer to this pose, you might not go that far. It might just be an inch or two, and wherever that is, then just let your hand rest down and extend your other hand towards the sky, yeah? As you build flexibility, you'll be able to bump the hips back even more, keeping the chest open and the side bodies long, and your hand might find the shin or even the toes. Then from there, the shoulder blades slide on the back, the chest stays open, and then the gaze just goes up towards the thumbs. Triangle pose.